Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today me and Carolyn is going to be making a delicious dessert, or let's hope it's delicious. It is actually going to be apple fritter bites, and we are making this for Jamie's Country Living. She's got an open collaboration, and the hashtag is hashtag delicious desserts 23. Alrighty, let's get started on what we're going to be needing. We need some kind of cooking spray, Baker's Joy, Pam, whatever you prefer. Then 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. We're actually going to be using salted butter today. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of no sugar added applesauce. Now, this is something Carolyn's made. It's got sugar in it. It's red hot applesauce. She's added the red hot candies to it. And then also 1.5 cups of peeled and finely diced Honeycrisp apples. Now, that's entirely up to you. A lot of times you like to use Granny Smith apples in your cooking and everything, but this is what the recipe said, so this is what we'll be doing. We'll have the link in the description for this recipe. Now, for the glaze, we're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then we're going to need 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of apple cider or apple juice, your preference. Alrighty, now let's get started. Alrighty, first off we're going to start with Carolyn. She got her apples all diced up here. Look how pretty those are. Now, put in your flour. And then there's cinnamon and baking powder. What else in there, Sugar?
Salt.
And salt. We're going to put that in there and then we're going to whisk that together. Get that all mixed together. Sorry about that, folks. Didn't mean to hit you. Sorry, folks. Didn't mean to hit you. Hopefully you're able to see that there. Okay, Sugar.
All right. I'm going to pour in the butter and the sugar and give that a mix.
Cooperate with us.
So you want to mix this together. Okay, we're going to add the flour mixture with the cinnamon and salt and baking powder. And then stir that a little bit at a time until combined. Some more. Make a mess.
Lord, no, don't make a mess. about that, folks. Hey, Sugar, when do we add the apples?
Right now.
Oh, okay.
All right. Add in the apples.
Okay.
It says fold in, but I'm just gonna put this on first setting and just let it mix in.
Okay. This here, we're just using an ice cream scoop. It may be too big. I don't know. We'll see.
Cookie scoop.
Cookie scoop. I'm
Cookie
sorry.
scoop. Sorry.
Ice cream scoop. Yeah. Well, it could be
ice cream.
It could be ice cream scoop if you just want a little scoop. I don't really know how many this is gonna make, folks. Hopefully it turns out good. Carolyn's trying to get around me here. And then we still got to make the glaze. We've got the oven preheated at 400 degrees. All right. I think we got enough here for one more. We got them sitting over here on this pan willy-nilly here. Alrighty, we'll throw these here in the oven. And I think it says cook them for 10 minutes. I don't know, we'll check them there and see. Then we'll take them out and turn the broiler on. After we put the glaze on it, we'll put them back in there and let it caramelize on top of them there. Alrighty. 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then we're going to put in a 1/3 cup and 2 tablespoons of apple juice, apple cider, whatever you prefer. And then we're going to make this. You'll want it, it'll be pretty thin. So it says. Alrighty. Now we'll let those cook. Alrighty, they flattened out a little bit, folks, but I will tell you, we did have to put the batter in the refrigerator for just a little bit. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the glaze on. We've got the broiler on over there right now. It says to brush this glaze on there and then place it in the oven under the broiler where it'll sort of caramelize. And then what we'll do, we'll get them out and set them on a plate. We'll have the description or the recipe in the description. And just telling y'all folks, Jamie's Country Living, if you like our channel, you'll love this channel. Check her out. I'd like to thank her for doing this collaboration. Just let it drizzle down the sides there. Right now, I'm not too big of a fan of this new time change, but it's hard to get anything done in the daytime now. That's what put us behind a little bit with this here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll take this here and I'll set it under broil. Just pay attention. Don't overcook them. You don't want them to turn black. Now watch, that's probably what I'll do. Alrighty folks, it says let it sit about 15 minutes. Trust me, they're hot. You don't want to get burned up. And I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Thank you again for watching. And thank you, Jamie, for having this open collab.